So I just did something that may or may not be foolish. I put $50 down on the Daily Driver's Daily Driver, the Slate pickup truck. Apparently, most people in America drive around 37 miles per day. That includes commuting, groceries, errands, taking kids to school, work. And with a Slate, they say, you can do that 4 times on a single charge on the standard battery. And if you need to grab a charge when you're on the road, with the Slate app, you always know when and where to plug in. Sounds good. Everything you need is included. That's why I put $50 down. I'm thinking about a pickup truck. So Slate comes with everything you need to charge at home. No need to buy anything extra, they say. With the included charging cable, you can charge using a regular household outlet. If I have access to a 240-volt outlet, the kind that you use for dryers, stoves, and other appliances, or level 2 charging, which I happen to have for a Tesla, I'm good to go. Many EV owners choose to purchase the optional wall-mounted charging station, which can add convenient features like cable storage and Wi-Fi connectivity, but you don't have to have one to charge at home. So if I got an outlet, I can charge level 1, 2, or 3. The fast charging is the level 3, which is the 480-volt public charging option, which I would probably do. And you can press start and go with the app. And it shows you the percentage on the app, total charge, charging time, and cost. Charging's fast. You can rest easy. So there are like 27,500 charging stalls coast to coast. There's an option there. You can drive from LA to San Diego, Phoenix to Tucson, Chicago to Milwaukee, New York City to Philly, because you can do the 150 miles of range or the upgraded extended range battery for 240 miles. I like that. I'd probably go for the bigger one. And what's neat about this here is the personalization. I hope I made a good choice here, because there's the base, which is $27,500, and you can upgrade the battery length for an extra $5,000, and you can even do more in terms of a bench seat and other accessories for additional upgrades. You can pick the color, obviously. You can bring your own tech, it says, but you can make it yourself. Whether it's adding on the a bed cover, you can wrap it, you can create more like an SUV. It has a modular interior to make it easy, apparently, and an SUV kit. So it is designed by Slate to be designed by you, the future owner. So you can have any vibe you want. You can shift your personality, change the color, change the wheels, change your mind, change it back, change it again. It's not a one-trick pony. And the Slate is going to give you options there. So wheels, the front bumper, rear bumper can change as well. It's a DIY for everyone. Is it worth $50 to put down? I'm going to find out. I'm on the list. So I'm on the list to be notified when I can purchase one. And they deliver it to your house. Why not? What do you think? Is it worth it? Would you put $50 down? And I believe that's refundable. Early reservations, $50 to secure your spot in line, which I have done. And from what I saw earlier, if you can get your money back. So it's a no-brainer. That's why I did it. Would you build your own truck? Let me know in the comment section below. I can't wait to drive it.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.